Hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you three free apps that actually pay you PayPal money. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm usually talking about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you really want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. But before I get into the topic, if you really want to know a good way in which you can make passive income, my number one recommendation, I'm going to leave the link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. Now, let me go back to the topic. As I told you before, I'm going to share with you three apps. These three apps are free, so no charges, and they pay you PayPal money. So let's begin. The very first app that I'm going to show you is called Walking Dog. Walking Dog. And if you're a dog lover and you love to hang around with them and you want to become a dog walker, this is perfectly the best match for you. Okay, this is perfectly the best match for you. You're gonna be earning $20 per walk. Okay, the coolest thing is that you are not gonna have any kind of schedule. They're pretty flexible and you're gonna be making money. Okay, you're going to be making money here. You can see some testimonials, and the process is pretty straightforward. You're going to go to walkwalking.com. Okay, first of all, you need to have some prior experience with dogs. Hey, if you are already a dog owner, go for it. Okay, the walk-ins or the walks are going to be at least 20 minutes. Okay, so please make sure that you are okay with that and you are at least 18 years old. Okay, you need to know how to handle different kind of situations with the dogs, and that's it. You can submit your application. As I told you, it's going to be $20 per walk, so really good service. But if you are not a dog person, definitely this is not for you. But you are and you have some time off, hey, trust me, this is going to be your perfect pick, because hey, first of all, you're going to be healthier and you're going to be with these great animals. The second app that I'm going to show you is kangooapp.co, kangooapp.co. Okay, this is basically for those who have cars, right? And you are going to be driving kids. You're going to be driving kids. Maybe their parents are pretty busy with life and they can, don't pick them up at school and take them to the musical classes or to the soccer class, or I don't know, any other extracurricular activities, right? So this is great for you. You can go to kangooapp.co and you can become a driver or a sitter. Okay, and as you can see here, it says earn money and make a difference in the life of the family. Okay, you can apply here. Really easy, super straightforward, and one of the coolest thing is that everything is going to be in your neighborhood, so you don't have to be like an Uber going to another part of the city that you're not familiar to. Okay, the requirements here are pretty straightforward. You need to be at least 24 years old and you need to have a card that it's no older 2007. Okay, and of course child care is required because you're going to be dealing with kids. Okay, here it says gift rights to create kids going to places. Kangoo is more than just a way to earn extra cash by transporting a passenger from point A to B. This is just like an Uber service. It's an opportunity to connect and care for kids whose lives are busier than ever. Okay, the process is pretty straightforward here. They are going to find a family who needs your help, remember, because you're going to be taking care of the kids or you're going to be transporting them. Okay, right? They're going to connect with you as Uber, and then you are going to be doing the job and you're going to be getting paid. Okay, pretty flexible. You do not have any kind of schedule, and you're going to be making $35 an hour. For me, this is not bad. Okay, so the benefit, if you just jump in, they're going to be giving you a $25 bonus, and after that the minimum that you're going to be charging is going to be $20. Okay, you're going to be your own boss. Okay, you can be a driver, you can be a sitter, or you can be both. This is perfect if you have some extra time or you want to do some work like some after hours, or you're an employee. I think it's okay. Everything is monitored. They're gonna request all your records, making sure that you have everything good standing, and that's go ahead and apply. Okay. The third app, just in case that you don't know it, it's Swagbox. Okay, swagbox.com. This is an app that it's gonna in which you're gonna be earning points. So the difference the between walking and Kangoo app is the fact that here on Swagbox you're gonna be earning points, and those points are gonna be um you're gonna be exchanging those points into cash, or you can also be getting gift cards. Okay, so Swagbox, again, it's free. You do not need to pay anything. You need to join Swagbox. It's really easy to make points. I tried it myself. Okay, you can earn points by doing everything that you are currently doing right now. If you shop online, if you watch videos, if you are searching the web, if you're answering surveys, if you're finding great deals, they are gonna give you points. And again, you can redeem those points and you can give gift cards, or you can get paid from to PayPal. So this is really simple. The only thing that you need to do is type out your email address, put a password, confirm your email address, and you're good to go. Okay, if you shop online, here it says that they do have a partnership with 1,500 retailers, including Amazon, Walmart, Target, Starbucks. Okay, and you can earn, this is what they call the SB points. These are the points that you're going to be making. Okay, you're going to be making SB points for every dollar you spend, plus get access to exclusive deals and coupons to your favorite retailer. Okay, you're going to be answering the surveys. I have answered a couple of surveys. Um, Pretty simple, nothing complicated. You can actually browse around their app and watch some videos, and you're going to be making points as well. You can discover offers. You can search the web. I tried this one as well to search the web. It's by using Yahoo. Okay, I know that nowadays everybody's using Google, but just to let you know that the information is going to grab from Yahoo. And if you're a gamer, this is definitely for you, because you can play games and you can actually earn points and you can make some money. So it's really easy, really simple. I know a couple of person that they make their first dollar online using Swagbox, so that's why I really go ahead and suggest it to you. So these are the three apps that you can download. Once again, let me recap. It's going to be swagbox.com, it's going to be kangooapp.co, and walking.com. Okay, pretty straightforward. By the way, just in case that you're wondering, Swagbox is a worldwide opportunity, and the other two, kangooapp.co and walking.co.com, sorry, they are US based opportunities. Okay, so once again, if you want to know my number one recommendation of making money online, I mean passive income, it's going to be the very first link below, so check it out. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area. If you find some golden nuggets here, give me a thumbs up. That's going to help me, it's going to help my video, it's going to help my channel. This is it for this video, and I see you on the next time.